Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to unblock websites on school Chromebook. So first up, open your internet browser, as you can see on your screen, and then click on the three dots right there at the top right-hand corner, and then click on the settings right there at the bottom. So when you click on this one, you'll find the side menu right here, and just need to click on the privacy and security. And then from here, basically, you just need to go to the third-party cookies and make sure that you allow third-party cookies on your browser. Now, once you've done, just need to go back here and then basically just need to go to clear browsing data. So click on this one and here go to basic tab and make sure that you set to all time and check all the box. And we're gonna click on this clear data. So just need to wait for a few seconds right here. And once you clear all the data, we're going back again to the privacy and security. And here just need to click on this security right here at the bottom. So we're gonna click on this one and then scroll down until we find the advanced option. So from this advanced, just need to find the manage certificates. So right down here, so click on this one and it will show you information pops up. So basically just need to click on the advanced button right over here and then make sure to check this client authentication. And then once you've done, click OK and then click close. So that's all. That's how you basically unblock websites on school Chromebook. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.